This is your Namrata ma'am, your grammar teacher. Back to you again with chapter number 3, Nouns, Number. Children, you know what is the meaning of number here? Nouns, number means if there is one thing, we say thing. It's a singular number. And if we say so many things, then it's a plural number. We can say that the noun that refers to one person, thing or animal is said to be in the singular number. Example, a man, a hand, a horse. Here, a refers to one. Plural number, the noun that refers to more than one or many person, thing or animal is said to be in the plural number. Children, there are many ways in which the number of a noun may be changed from the singular to the plural. First, to change the forms of noun from singular to plural, we usually add s to the singular number and it changes into plural. Example, girl, girls. One girl, many girls. Tree, trees. Book, books. This is the common form way in which we change the singular number into plural. Now the second form also, second way, we add es to singular nouns ending in x, double s, ch, s or sh. Example, box. Plural will be boxes, boxes, boxes. Class, classes. Match, matches. Gas, gases. Brush, brushes. Third way of changing the nouns into plural. Some nouns that ends in y, we drop the y and add ies. For example, lady. Spelling of lady is lady. We'll drop y. Y is dropped and the plural will be ladies. So the spelling will be ladies. Ladies. Fairy, fairies. Fly, flies, etc. etc. Another way to change singular into plural, if there is a vowel before y, then ies is not added. Will not drop y, but only s will be added. Example, boy, boys. Ray, rays. See, before y there are vowels, so simply s is added. Day, days. Some nouns ending in f or fe, we drop the f or fe and add only ves. Example, half, half, half. Plural will be halves, halves, halves. Thief, spelling is thief. One thief. Many thieves, spelling will be thieves. Leaf, leaves. But we simply add s to some nouns ending in f or fe. Example, ef. Example, roof, roofs. Chief, chiefs. So many examples are there. It's given in the book, we can go through. Some nouns ending in o, we add simply s only. Like photo, photos. Kilo, kilos. To some nouns ending in o, we add es. Example, tomatoes. tomato, tomato. Plural will be tomatoes will be added. Tomatoes. Potato, potatoes. There are some nouns which has fe, like knife, K-N-I-F-E. Fe, when we change into plural, Fe is dropped and in place of Fe, Ves is added. K-N-I-F-E, knife, singular number, and its plural will be K-N-I-V-E-S, knives. Same way, life, L-I-F-E, life, L-I-V-E-S, lives, plural will be lives. Wolf, wolves. Children, there is one exercise on page number 16. Singular numbers are given, you have to change it into plural. Here I have done it. I will send you the photo and you will do it in your copy. Change the number of the following nouns from the singular to the plural. Story, stories. Day, days. Watch, watches. Scarf, scarves or scarves. Both is correct. Kite, kites. Calf, calves. City, cities. Mass will be mass only. Wish, wishes. Mango, mangoes. I'll send the photo of this. You can copy it in your rough copy. There's another exercise on page number 16-17, exercise B. You have to change the forms of the underlined nouns. I'll send you the photo, you'll read the sentence and you will write the answer. Answers are given here. Just see and write it in your copy. Photo, I'll be sending it to you. So children, that's the end of the lesson number 3, nouns number. Hope you have understood. If there is any query, you can contact me. Thank you. I'm sorry, one thing I forgot to tell you. There are few nouns in which en is added and it becomes the plural. Example, child. Say one child, many children. Spelling will be C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N. Children will be the plural of child. Ox, oxen. O-X-E-N. Oxen will be the plural. Brother, brethren. B-R-O-T-H-E-R-N. One thing more children, there are few nouns whose plurals are same. For example, a deer, many deer. One sheep, many sheep. Fruit, fruit. Plural will be the same. Furniture, furniture. Few nouns are there whose spellings are totally different, like fruit, feet. Mouse, mice. Man, one man, M-A-N, man. Many, men, M-E-N, men. Woman, women. Goose, geese. Tooth, teeth. This I wanted to tell you. Thank you, children.